In this episode, you'll learn about getting yourself into the professional world of audio production. Well, here are a few pointers that will allow you to get yourself more employable. Investment in anything can be a risky business, so you have to do everything in your power to make sure that investment pays you a dividend. Investment you put into your available skill set will pay you back in spades. It takes time and dedication to build up a skill set. A varied skill set is imperative for being able to work in the diverse areas of media, be it radio, TV, digital or film. Believe me, none of this time or effort will be wasted. Remember, nothing ever goes to waste. You might not see the rewards immediately, but I guarantee you, they're coming down the line. So what do we start with? Well, look around you. What do you see that can make a noise? Take that pen beside you. Look around it, shake it, click it, bash it, crush it. That was your first lesson in creating Foley sound effects. Well done. Now find something to record it with. A lot of people have devices or computers to hand. If you don't, your granny will have a computer that she just can't get her head around and it's been sitting there for months. Ask her, can you borrow it? The next thing you have to do is get the tools you need to learn your trade. You don't have to spend money on the latest and the greatest. There's time for that. Get things like Audacity, a free DAW with free plugins, though with no picture facility. WavePad is a free audio editor available for everyone to download. And Steinberg also gives away Cubase AI for free with their audio interfaces, and that includes editing to picture for free. Computer music magazines love giving away stuff, including demos of serious kit, full banks of sound effects and even instruments. Make mistakes, lose stuff, destroy stuff, make it sound amazing, and let your imagination go wild. If you can't get your hands on a computer, try an iPad or an Android tablet. There's tons of apps to allow your mind go free. Free synths for designing noise, editors, music packages. The only limit, I'm afraid to say, is you. Be disciplined. You need to set yourself a project. Find a video on YouTube that you love and put it into your newly acquired editing software and start cutting noise that tells your version of the story. If you don't have the necessary effects, go out and record them. You don't need expensive recorders. You have a voice recorder on your phone. It's not a big Hollywood movie you're working on. There's time for that. Don't stress, this is fun. Voice, sound effects and even music is something you can try. Do it. Show me. Show everybody. Put the links to your creations in the comments fields below. Be proud of your work. Enjoy the feedback. It's a learning tool, so use it and learn from it. The only person that can do this is you. Do yourself proud, make it happen. You have all the tools to hand, and you have the want. Make it happen. I'm Keith Alexander and you've been watching Adorama TV. Don't forget to subscribe to Adorama TV for more great videos and tell us what you think. You can like, comment or share this video, and please come by the Adorama Learning Centre for more great tips and advice.